Hello. Kakan4Tech, one of the leaders in IT solutions for domain hosting, cloud servers, dedicated servers, hosted solutions, website design, website development and digital marketing. Out of many services in website design and development portfolio, Dynamic Website is one of them. Dynamic Website starts from 8,999 Indian rupees plus GST of 18%. In this package, total bundled value of 16,087 Indian rupees has been given as promotional offer, which includes images and icons for commercial use. For the package of Dynamic Website, which is priced at 8,999 Indian rupees, we offer many services like free entry-level SSL, free domain, free 10 GB SSD hosting, free 10 emails, contact form, mobile-friendly designs, website on WordPress platform, 1-year maintenance, WordPress security toolkit, free live chat and possibilities of unlimited pages. Although we can offer 5 pages in website package, but you can design unlimited pages with no coding knowledge. 30 minutes session or video would be provided for creating pages. Again, Dynamic WordPress website has a total free bundled value of 16,087 Indian rupees under startup plan, like free domain for 1 year worth 780 Indian rupees, free entry-level SSL worth 1,499 Indian rupees per year, free 10 GB SSD plus hosting for 1 year worth 1,800 Indian rupees, 10 emails worth 4,425 Indian rupees per year is free. Worried about WordPress security? Just concentrate upon your business. WP Toolkit will manage your security of WordPress website. Along with others bundled value, we have free live chat, 1 year maintenance worth 2,250 Indian rupees. Hold on, you do not have to buy professional images. We have covered 10 images and 25 icons for commercial use with no copyright issues. One of the bundled values for the first year is domain, worth 780 Indian rupees. Free domain is applicable for com, in, code.in only. Another bundled value in the race is SSL, worth 1,499 Indian rupees, free for first year. This entry-level SSL will secure your site logins and password encryption for your website, along with the increase of SEO ranking. Next is 10 GB SSD hosting. SSD drive is 10 times faster than SATA in read and write. WP Toolkit for WordPress security. Overall, up to 25 security enhancements for WordPress sites makes website almost secure against any hacking attempt. Free bundled 10 emails for the first year worth 4,425 Indian rupees, protected by antivirus and spam filters. In this package, you can create unlimited pages of your own. For this purpose, no coding experience is required. We design 5 pages and provide you 30 minutes session or video for creating page for your business. In this package, we offer 1 slider with 5 slides to promote your products or services on home page. These slides will have 5 images for commercial use. This offer has 1 contact form on contact page, which can be copied to any page for free with 5 fields. All these entries can be sent via email to your phone or computer. Under this offer, we create responsive websites to all screens, say desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobiles. These web pages are mobile friendly, where 70% traffic lands as per data of search engines. Out of 10 websites in the world, 6 websites are considered to be on WordPress CMS platform. This is the reason why we say WordPress websites are Google friendly. Hooray! Get your hands free on WordPress CMS and create unlimited pages. You do not need to worry for any errors. We cover all types of errors for 1 year under maintenance, which is completely free for first year, worth 2,250 Indian rupees. Great news! Convert your live visitors to leads via live chat. We offer one user live chat options to unlimited visitors for 30 sessions or 30 minutes maximum. You can upgrade to a paid plan for unlimited users or for unlimited sessions. When we say free 10 images and 25 icons, we also provide commercial use of these images on your website, completely free as long as you stay on our network. All these freebies, commercial images license, WP WordPress security, Plesk panel and many other features, only for $89.99, plus 18% GST, along with a bundled value of 16,087 Indian rupees, completely free for first year. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great time ahead. Visit karkinfotech.co.in for India.